Hey everyone, and welcome back. We're diving deep into AI business ideas that are going to be huge in 2025 and beyond.
Really is an exciting time for
Yeah.
AI. And, whether you've been in business for years or just starting out, this
Yeah.
deep dive's for you. We're going to break it down. So
Yeah.
simply, even an eighth grader can understand. And if you're digging this info, hit that like button and share it around.
Absolutely. So let's jump right in.
Let's do it. One of the coolest things about AI business opportunities is that a lot of them don't need a ton of money up front. Let's start with service-based businesses.
Service-based businesses using AI. Sounds interesting. What kind of services are we talking about?
Well, think about the skills that everyone needs right now. Video editing.
Right.
It's a massive market. Every content creator out there is looking for ways to make awesome videos quickly and without breaking the bank.
Makes sense. So how can AI help with that?
Well, imagine using AI tools to do all the boring stuff.
Yeah.
Like cutting out those awkward silences, getting rid of filler words, and even reformatting your videos for different platforms. There's some incredible tech out there that can take a rough video and make it look super professional really fast.
That would be a game changer for anyone who's ever spent like hours editing videos.
Yeah.
But can AI really do all that? Is it that simple?
Honestly, it's getting easier every day. Think of it this way. A tool that can watch your video, figure out the best parts, and cut out all the fluff automatically.
Wow.
Or how about this? A feature that cleans up your audio, makes it sound crisp and clear, even if you recorded it in a noisy room.
So you're saying I could offer a service where I take someone's raw footage, use AI to polish it up, and deliver a finished product.
Exactly. You could be working with YouTubers, businesses using video for marketing, online course creators, anyone who needs help with their videos. And the best part is you don't need to be a pro editor to get started. The AI does all the hard work. You just got to know how to use the tools.
It does sound like a low investment, high reward kind of thing. So besides video editing, what other service-based AI businesses are out there?
Okay, how about copywriting? Every business needs good copy, right? For their website, their marketing materials, social media posts, everything. But writing that copy, well, it can be a real time suck.
Well, I know it. I used to spend hours just trying to get the wording right.
Exactly, and that's where AI comes in. AI-powered copywriting tools can whip up high-quality copy in seconds based on what you tell it to do. Need an email promoting a new product, tell the AI what you want to say, and boom, it creates a draft for you.
So it's like having a robot writer on call. But wouldn't it sound, I don't know, kind of robotic?
Not at all. Think of the AI as your first draft guy. It gets the basics down, and then you come in and add your personal touch, your brand voice, all that good stuff.
Makes sense, like having an assistant to handle the rough draft so you can focus on the creative side of things. Pretty cool.
Right. And the best part is you could offer this service to anyone who needs help with writing, which is pretty much everyone. Small businesses, entrepreneurs, marketers, content creators, you name it.
Yeah, I'm seeing a theme here. It's all about finding a problem and then using AI to fix it in a way that saves people time and headaches. What other service-based AI ideas are out there?
Sticking with the content creation theme, how about a service creating awesome visuals for social media using AI?
I am all for anything that makes social media easier.
I hear you. Think about those catchy graphics with inspiring quotes you see all over Instagram. You could use AI to come up with the text and then use a design tool like Canva to make it look amazing.
Oh, I love Canva. But designing each quote individually would take forever.
Nope. Canva has this awesome feature where you can upload a spreadsheet of quotes, and it'll automatically create a bunch of designs using a template you pick.
So I could use AI to generate quotes about like business tips or personal growth. Then Canva turns those quotes into eye-catching graphics.
You got it. It's a super streamlined process to create tons of content super fast.
Wow, that's seriously impressive. This deep dive is packed with great ideas. Don't forget to hit that like button and tell your friends about this.
Absolutely, and that's just the beginning. Service-based businesses are great, but there's a whole other world of product-based AI businesses out there too.
Product-based businesses using AI. Now you've got me really intrigued. Tell me more.
Product-based businesses, they're fantastic because they can make you money passively. You just create the product once and it can sell forever. One example that's getting super popular is selling
Printable wall art. That's a cool idea. So what would that look like?
Imagine you could use AI to create amazing artwork just by describing what you want. You could make art in all kinds of styles and then sell it as digital downloads on places like Etsy.
So instead of having to paint or draw something myself, I'm using AI to do the creating. What makes the art unique, though?
That's where your creativity comes in. You can give the AI specific instructions, play around with different styles, and add your own personal flair. You could even make collections for specific niches like art for nurseries or motivational quotes.
That makes a lot of sense.
hmm
People love unique and affordable art, and being able to just print it at home is super convenient. What other kinds of product-based AI businesses are out there?
Well, there are so many information products people love these days, like ebooks, guides, online courses. Creating all that content can take a lot of time, but AI can make it so much faster.
I see. You're saying AI can help with the writing and all that?
Exactly. You could use AI to write the first draft of an ebook on a topic you're an expert in. The AI does all the research and writing, and then you come in to make sure it sounds good and add all your personal insights and stories.
So it's like having a research assistant and a ghostwriter all in one. That's pretty wild. But how do you make sure the content is actually good and not just some generic AI stuff?
That's where you come in. You're the one guiding the AI, choosing what it should write about, and then making it even better. Think of AI as a tool that helps you create content faster, but it's still your voice and knowledge that makes it valuable.
Yeah, it's like the AI takes care of the boring parts and you get to focus on the fun stuff.
Exactly. And once you've got your product, you can sell it on Amazon, Kindle your website, or even make an online course. There are so many options.
These are giving me so many ideas, but what about people who already have a business? Is there a way to use AI with an existing business?
Absolutely. AI can be a total game changer no matter what industry you're in.
Can you give me an example of how that would work?
Well, let's talk about affiliate marketing. Lots of businesses use affiliate programs to make money, but AI can make those programs even more effective.
How so?
What if you could use AI to look at customer data and see what products they're most likely to buy? Then you could use an AI copywriting tool to create personalized emails or social media posts promoting those products.
So you're basically making the affiliate marketing more targeted and effective. I like it. What are some other ways businesses can use AI?
Another good one is content repurposing. A lot of businesses create tons of content, blog posts, podcasts, webinars, but they don't always make the most of it.
It's so hard to keep up with all the different platforms these days.
I know. But AI can help with that. Imagine taking a long blog post and using an AI tool to turn it into shorter posts for social media, or taking snippets from your podcast and sharing them on Instagram or TikTok.
You're basically taking one piece of content and using AI to make it into a bunch of different things for different platforms.
That's right. It's a great way to get more out of your content and reach more people.
This is awesome. I'm really seeing the potential of AI for both new and existing businesses. I got to be honest, though, it's also a little overwhelming. Where do I even start with all of this?
It's easier than you think. First, figure out what problem you want to solve with AI. What tasks are taking up a lot of your time? What could you do more efficiently?
That's a good place to start. Then what?
Once you've got your problem, check out some of the AI tools that are out there. Lots of them have free trials, so you can see what works best for you.
So find the right tools and then just get started. What if I need some extra help? Are there resources for that?
Oh yeah, tons. There are online courses, communities, and tons of resources dedicated to AI for business. Just do a little searching and you'll find plenty of support.
This deep dive has been so helpful. I feel like I have a much better understanding of AI. And if you're feeling the same way, don't forget to hit that like button and share this with anyone who might benefit.
I agree. The more people understand AI, the better we can use it to create a brighter future.
I love that.
Go
Because
ahead.
so we've talked about all the cool stuff AI can do, but I think it's important to remember that there are also some challenges to think about.
It's important to be realistic about the challenges. I think one of the biggest things to consider is the ethical side of AI.
Ethical side. What do you mean by that?
Well, things like data privacy and bias. You see, AI algorithms, they learn from massive amounts of data.
Right.
And if that data has biases in it, AI might end up making biased decisions.
So if the data used to train an AI has gender or racial biases, the AI might produce results that are also biased.
Exactly. We have to be really careful about the data we feed these AIs and make sure we're doing everything we can to avoid those biases.
That's a really good point. It's on us to use AI fairly and responsibly. What other challenges should we be thinking about?
Another big one is the potential impact on jobs. As AI gets smarter, it's probably going to automate certain tasks that humans do now.
I think a lot of people are worried about AI taking their jobs.
I get it, but I think it's more about jobs changing, not disappearing. As AI takes over the repetitive, boring tasks,
Okay.
it frees up humans to focus on the more creative, strategic, and people-focused work.
So we need to adapt and learn new skills to stay ahead of the game. Any advice on how people can prepare for these changes?
Focus on the skills AI can't replicate. Things like critical thinking, problem-solving, creativity, emotional intelligence communication. Those skills are going to be more important than ever.
That's great advice. It's all about lifelong learning and being ready to adjust as the world changes.
That's it. And remember, AI is a tool. It's up to us to use it in a way that benefits everyone and creates a better future.
That's a great way to put it.
Yeah.
This deep dive has been incredibly eye-opening. We've talked about tons of AI business ideas, the good and the bad, and given some solid strategies to get started.
It's been a great conversation for sure.
If you found this helpful, please do us a favor and hit that like button and share it with your friends. The more people who know about AI, the better.
Couldn't agree more. Let's help each other learn about AI and use it to make a positive impact.
Now, before we sign off, I want to leave you with one last thought. As we've seen, AI is changing everything super fast, and it's up to all of us to decide how we're going to react. Will we just sit back and watch, or will we jump in and help shape the future?
That's the question, isn't it?
Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into AI business ideas. Keep learning, keep innovating, and keep exploring the incredible possibilities of AI. Until next time.